We use layers to group information by function and to enforce line type, color, and other standards. Let's look at layer properties. In layer properties, we can create new layers. We're going to create 4 new layers, one for object lines, center lines, hidden lines, and text. So OBJ for the first name, then the color red, and the line type of continuous is correct. The second line type for center, we'll call that CEN. We'll change the color to yellow. And we have to go and load the line type. So click on load, and as you can see there are many different line types. Select center, click OK, select center again, and then click OK. And that makes it the line type for the CEN layer. We're going to change the line weight for this one. We're going to select 0.2 and OK. We'll create the third layer, which is for the hidden line types. Call that HID. We'll leave the color as yellow, but we have to change the line type. So again, we have to load the line type. So we're going to scroll all the way down here until we see hidden. You'll notice there are 3 different types of hidden lines, slightly different sizes. Again, we have to select hidden and then click OK. And the fourth and final layer is for text. We'll change the color from yellow, and we'll change that to blue. And we have to change the hidden line type, of course. Continuous is already loaded, that's the default, so we can click on OK. You'll notice also that we can turn layers on and off, freeze or lock, and we can also do that while we're creating our project. I want to make OBJ the current layer. So in here I'm going to click on Set Current. Notice the check mark beside OBJ to indicate that it is current. When I come back into my drawing, I can see that OBJ is current. It's pretty easy to change these. There are 5 layers now. Simply click on HID. It's now current. Back to OBJ. Let's add some geometry and see what happens. Simple line. Because it's on the OBJ layer, it's red and continuous line type. If I want the line weight to display, make sure that it's toggled on in the application status bar. I'm going to go to another layer, CEN for center. Draw a circle, and as expected it's yellow with a center line. Change the layer to HID for hidden. We'll draw an arc, and the arc is yellow and a hidden line. Now let's change it to the text layer, and we'll place some multi-line text. Define the area, key in the text. Having done that, click on Close the Text Editor, and zoom in so we can see that. And as expected, it's blue in color and on the text layer. So here's some examples of using it in practice. This is a floor plan. If I click on the desk, I can see that it's on the furniture layer. Click on the door, it's on the door layer. This is a good example of grouping information by function.